Rosie. You can say that again. Whoa! 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 Here, let me help. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm going to say it again. It's such a windy day, Rosie. I know. I wonder how everyone else is getting on.
There, my plum cake will cool nicely here. Oh, no! Come back!
The wind was so strong, my kite just blew away.
I got soaked by the fountain. My leaves! My lovely soft leaves! All gone. So is my washing.
And my cake.
Oh, I'm still dizzy. Are you all right, Oakley?
I'm fine, but look, part of the fence is broken.
Don't worry. We can fix that, can't we, Raggles?
We can?
Yes. Come on, we've got work to do.
Oh, Nat, look at our dam. It's
Full of holes, Matt. I know. Must have been
the wind. Let's
get to work.
Oh, can you pass me your
Pebble, another leak on your
left? Oh, mind it.
Okay, Mega Mender Raggles. Here goes.
What you are, Mega Man Will? It's no good. These leaves just aren't as soft as the ones I had before.
Sorry, Bluebird. They're the softest I have. Oh, hello, Rosie. Found any more washing yet?
Yes.
Oh, I wondered what had been tickling me. Help, please. Our dam is full of...
Holes, pebbles and bark are no good. Has anyone got anything else we can plug them with? You can try this. And my favourite pine cone. Here. You can try my spare yo-yo.
Thank you.
Anyway, take a look at how the Mega Menders have mended the fence.
Oh.
Oh, I don't think this is...
Going to work? No, me neither. Would you like to try this?
Oh, no thanks, Rosie. What we need is twigs.
No, too rough. Okay. No, too prickly. Right.
The mega menders have now fixed the fence.
We glued it in this time.
Now to pick some lovely plums from my favourite tree to make another cake. Oh, no! It's blown down.
No! Too hard! Just not right! Oh dear. I don't think any of these leaves will do. And I still can't find the sock that goes with this one.
And we can't fix these broken bits of fence back together.
Whatever we do, it isn't strong enough. What is it, Big Bear?
Oh, I'm afraid I've got some sad news, everyone.
Oh no! The plum tree!
Don't be too sad, Rosie. For every end is a new beginning.
I think I understand, and it's given me an idea. So you see, although it's sad that the plum tree has been blown over, perhaps there's a way that we can each take something from it and use it for something good. What do you mean? I just don't see how that's going to work. Oh, these leaves! They're so soft! Oh, Holly, quick, help me!
Well, I could still use this last crop of plums to make another cake.
And these twigs? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
That they're exactly what we need.
To mend the dam!
I was thinking what you were thinking.
And maybe... Can you hold this, please, Raggles? Yes! The trunk is just the right length to mend the fence with. The mega menders are back in business.
Let's get to work.
Here goes.
So we managed to use every part of the tree. We did. The end was actually lots of new beginnings. So many good things have come from something that seemed so sad at first.
Especially this cake. Oh, it's yummy.
I'm glad Big Bear had a few plums left over when he made his cake. Me too. I know. Let's plant the plum stones. Now 2 trees will grow where the old one fell. Which means twice as many plums next time. Yummy!